How to see what Instagram reels your friends have liked. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll find out how we can see Instagram reels that your friends liked. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, you can go to the Reels section or you can simply find Reels on your FYP. And after you find the Reels, you see the like section. If you tap on it, you'll see the like and view. And if your friends have liked the reel, their likes will be on the top, like this on the following. Now, there can be a lot of likes, thousands and thousands of likes, but if your friends have liked them, you'll find that on the top. And that's really simple. And also, sometimes if there are enough likes, you will also get small icons of your friends' profile pictures. The reel as well. Do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.